How to get Windows 11 23 H2 update step-by-step guide. Hey guys, and welcome back. On today's video, we'll be discussing on how to update your Windows 11. So first thing first, you need to check the compatibility. Ensure that your computer is compatible for the Windows 11. For doing so, you can use the tool PC Health Check tool, which is provided by Microsoft itself. For this, you can open any of your browser and search for it. Likewise, for the step 2, you have to download the Windows 11 ISO file. Search for Windows 11 download on Google, and this way you can get to the official website. Now make sure you select the correct language as well as the edition that matches your current Windows installation. Once that is done, the third step is mounting the ISO file. Right click on it and select on mount. This will create a virtual drive containing the contents of ISO file. If you encounter any issues while mounting, you can extract the contents using software like WinRAR or 7-zip. After that, you have to run the setup box for the Windows 11 installation process. Just follow some of the installation prompts, which is for the setup wizard. Make sure to give and grant the permissions and choose the right installation options. After that, your computer may restart several times, so be patient and let the installation complete. After the installation is completed, verify that Windows 11 version 23H2 has been successfully installed and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.